Hey everyone! Welcome back to ZoomInData. And this is episode 7 of our KQL Concepts Deep Dive series. Today we are exploring case sensitivity, equality operators, and string internals in KQL. We are keeping everything pure concepts and interview focused with no code examples. If you missed episode 6 on query pipeline and data flow, it's a great one to catch up on. Let's get started. Here is our roadmap for today. KQL is case sensitive by default for string comparisons. Equality operators include equals for exact match and equals tilde for case insensitive match. String operators include contains, has, starts with, ends with, and their tilde variants. String internals involve tokenization, indexing, and performance differences. Understanding these operators prevents common bugs and improves query accuracy. And this topic is frequently tested in KQL interviews due to subtle pitfalls. Let's dive into the details. Let's start with case sensitivity in KQL. KQL treats string comparisons as case-sensitive by default. Uppercase and lowercase letters are considered different characters. This default behavior applies to equals, contains, has, and most string operators. Case-insensitive variants use the tilde suffix such as equals tilde, contains tilde, has tilde. Case sensitivity ensures precise matching but requires careful operator choice. This is one of the most common sources of confusion when people first start with KQL. Now let's look at the equality operators. The equals operator performs exact, case-sensitive equality comparison. The equals tilde operator performs case-insensitive equality comparison. Neither operator performs wildcard or partial matching. Use equals when precision is required and case matters. Use equals tilde when case should be ignored for matching. This distinction is critical. Choosing the wrong one can lead to missing results or false positives in your queries. Take a quick look at this split comparison diagram. It makes the difference super clear. On the left side we have equals. The locked padlock icon tells you it's case sensitive. See the example. Hello does not equal hello, no match. Arrow points down to no match. Strict and precise. On the right side we have equals tilde. The open padlock icon means case insensitive. Same example. Hello equals hello, match. Arrow points up to match. It ignores case completely. This is why you pick one or the other. Use equals when case matters, like error codes or IDs. Use equals tilde when you want to catch variations like error or error. Simple choice, but it saves tons of headaches in real queries. Next up are the main string search operators. Contains checks for substring anywhere in the value and is case sensitive. Has checks for full word match using token-based logic and is case sensitive. Starts with checks if value begins with substring and is case sensitive. Ends with checks if value ends with substring and is case sensitive. The tilde variants such as contains tilde, has tilde, etc. make searches case insensitive. These operators have different performance and semantics. Choosing the right one affects both correctness and speed. Let's go deeper into string internals. KQL tokenizes strings for has and free text search operators. Tokens are words split by punctuation and whitespace. Has uses token index for fast full word matching. Contains scans the full string and is slower on large datasets. Indexing is more efficient for tokenized operators than substring search. Understanding tokenization prevents unexpected matching behavior. This is why has often outperforms contains on large tables. Look at this diagram. It shows exactly how KQL handles strings internally for search. Take the string, hello, world. Hello Argon. KQL tokenizes it by splitting on punctuation and spaces into clean blocks. Hello, world, hello, again. See the lightning bolt on the left? That's has. It uses this tokenized index to find full words super fast, like searching for hello, instant match because it's indexed. On the right, the turtle icon is contains. It has to scan the whole raw string character by character looking for substrings, which is slower on big data. This is why has is often the better choice for word-level searches, fast, indexed, and precise, while contains is great for partial matches but costs more performance. Pick wisely. Why does this topic matter in interviews? Interviewers test knowledge of case sensitivity and operator differences. Common questions include, explain versus tilde, and when to use has versus contains. Subtle bugs from wrong operators are frequent in real queries. Understanding tokenization and performance shows deep KQL expertise. This topic is essential for accurate filtering in Azure monitoring roles. Get this right, and you'll avoid many real-world pitfalls. To wrap up, KQL is case-sensitive by default for strings. Use for exact match and tilde for case-insensitive match. Has performs fast token-based word search, contains scan substrings. The tilde suffix makes operators case-insensitive. Tokenization and indexing affect performance and matching behavior. Choose operators carefully to ensure correctness and efficiency. These details make a big difference in real queries. That's episode 7 done. Thanks for spending time with me on ZoomInData. Next in episode 8, Time Handling Philosophy, we will explore UTC default, relative time, precision issues, and how KQL manages timestamps. Homework to lock this in. Explain to someone or out loud. Why is KQL case sensitive by default and how do you handle case insensitive search? Think of a scenario where has outperforms contains. Answer this interview classic. What is the difference between and tilde? If this helped, like the video, share it with anyone prepping for Azure interviews, subscribe for episode 8, and drop a comment with your biggest takeaway today. Thank you so much for watching ZoomInData. See you next time. Keep zooming in on those concepts. Bye for now.